Pinakilala na ni Oppo ang latest flagship device nila. At ito, ang Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung magkano to, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Sa ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin ang specs and features niya. Meron itong 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 1440 by 3168 pixel resolution. May 120Hz refresh rate at meron siyang HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection at ito ay may 4500 nits peak of brightness. Ang Oppo Find X7 Ultra ay may operating system na ColorOS 14 based on Android 14 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset na may Adreno 750 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 12 or 16GB of RAM with 256 or 512GB UFS 4.0 internal storage at ito ay non-expandable. Ang Oppo Find X7 Ultra ay may quad camera setup with 50MP main camera with OIS plus 50MP periscope telephoto camera with OIS plus 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 6x optical zoom with OIS plus 50MP ultra-wide camera with Hasselblad color calibration, LED flash, HDR, and panorama. At kaya nito mag-record ng video up to 4K at 60fps. Sa kanya namang selfie camera, meron siyang 32MP wide camera with panorama and up to 4K at 60fps video recording at meron siyang gyro EIS. Sa kanyang battery, meron siyang 5000 mAh battery capacity with 100W fast charging at meron din siyang 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging. Para naman sa security ng phone na to, meron itong under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock at ito ay may stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 164.3 by 76.2 by 9.5mm at may timbang na 221 grams at meron siyang glass front, glass back or eco leather back and aluminum frame with IP68 dust and water resistance at ito ay may dual SIM. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, BDS, Galileo, UZSS, GLONASS, NFC, infrared port, OTG, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, pag-usapan na natin ang kanyang price. Ang estimated price ng Oppo Find X7 Ultra ay around 46,900 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa magbago kung sakali magiging available ito sa Philippines. Guys, ano masasabi niyo about sa Oppo Find X7 Ultra? Please comment down below. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat! Peace!